And just a few of my final tips, as I've said before, strategy and planning are absolutely critical. Technology is great, but without a strategy and a plan, it is just really, expensive and resource intensive. I was talking with the accounting firm managing partner yesterday, and she said, I feel like we have these grand plans and we need to just sort of tone them down and look at the ROI of what we're doing and do things in phases, because every time we buy technology, every piece of it we use 10%. And so you don't want to do that, but that you can start with 10% and then have a phase 2 where you have another 10%. And then I will tell people, roll out in pilot groups. Everybody gets to be a special snowflake. I had a firm that taught me this valuable lesson. Do a pilot group, figure out what they need, wrap the tool around what they need, get them the information that they need with minimal effort and maximum value, get successes, communicate successes, and repeat and go do it again. You will have people lined up at your door to get access to your CRM, your experience database, or whatever it might be. But remember, it does never end. So you've got to staff for it. You've got to train for it. You don't train once, you train ongoing. You've got to dedicate resources, time, money, and people. Communicate success relentlessly and train continually.